Welcome to today's video. So we're looking at earning £2 a month from using AI software, and I'll tell you off the bat, you can earn a lot more than that, and you can also earn a little bit less. It purely depends on how much time you're going to put into this, but I'm going to share with you proof that this method works. I'll also share with you how you can set this whole method up yourself, and using the AI softwares that we're going to be looking at, it will speed up the entire process for you. And literally, you can, what used to take months and months of hard work, you can do this in a couple of days. You absolutely can do. So what is the method that we are talking about and looking at today? Well, it is this over here. Now, I've just typed into Google, you can see blogs earning 2K monthly, and 2K is on the low end for a lot of blogs. But let me just scroll down here so we can see how I started a blog and now earn 2K. That's a LinkedIn post. Let's come a bit further on the page here, how we can earn money. But I want to show you this. How 37 bloggers earn 2K to £1 million per month. And look, let me just put some myths aside. When people hear the word bloggers, they think they've got to be, vlogging, sharing their life details and everything about this. You absolutely don't. Let me just show you some examples. So if I come on here, you can see this is the blog post. This is over on Social Buzz Hive. And this is 37 different bloggers in different categories and different niches who are earning between 2K and a million a month. Sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? But people are doing it. So if we scroll down here, we've got different examples of 41 million a month. That is insane. Different examples of websites which are absolutely making a killing. Okay, but let's be a bit more realistic. Let's scroll down here. So how do bloggers make money? So a blog is essentially, it's another word for a website. Okay, and you can make money in lots of different ways. We can do this with affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission for promoting and sharing somebody else's products. So an example is like this one over here. If I was to click on this over here and go ahead and purchase this Photosonic, the owner of Social Buzz Hive, they would earn an affiliate commission. Straightforward and simple. And with a blog, a lot of the time it's either putting an image or just a link. You can then also do this with advertising. We've got sponsored posts where a company will pay us to put something on our website or blog. We've got selling your own digital products and lots more. But the great thing about creating a blog slash website is once you do the work once, then you can be earning a passive income, because the work, if you want to call it that, is creating content. Okay, but as you can see on here, we can earn in a number of ways. So one blog post, you could be earning in literally 4 or 5 different ways, like this one here. They're earning from this over here, they're earning from ads on the page, and I'm sure there's other ways. So let's scroll down here. Look, Millennial Boss, this blogger, you can see, earns through affiliate marketing and courses. This blogger paid off 100K of debt, but this is how much they're earning. So let's just click on this website. And then don't worry, I'll show you how you can do this for free. So scroll down here. Look, this is going back to April. Let me get rid of this. Going back to April 2017. And I've just seen down here as well, you can see it was updated 2019. So let's just scroll down here and we'll have a look at this. We're not looking at this. We actually earned, look, we can see February was 1,700. This month was 1,798. I'm going to come down here and see if they've got an actual thing. But look, we can see here, this is the income from a blog. So we can see down here, look, Flex offers, that is affiliate marketing. We've got Max Bounty, again, affiliate marketing. Share a Sale, affiliate marketing. This one, Bluehost, is where they're promoted, so it's affiliate marketing basically. Amazon, and you can see on here they've got a number of different ways which they're earning. Okay, I want to see if they've also got like like an update thing as well. So have we got like a more recent post on here? Let's see, because this is going back to 2017. So let's have a look. Have they got any more on here? What tends to happen with these financial reports is people post them, and then once they get to a certain point, they stop updating them. But if I look at this one here really quickly, okay, we can see, let's go back up here to the top. So this is the what is this? Millennial Boss. If I just click on, I'm just going to click on the home page so we can see what is this blog about. So it's about what? Saving money. Look, how to save money, how to start a business, how to sell on Etsy, printables, and content. That's one example for you. Okay, so they're not sharing the life details on there. Let's come over here. So let's go back over to this article. I want to just share a couple more with you, and then I'll walk you through how you can do this and speed up the whole process. So let's come down here. Let's have a look at this. Come a bit further down. What's this? Mommy to Max, a mum blog, $5,000 a month. Let's have a look at how long ago that was. So again, look, this is going back to 2017. Scroll further on the page here. This was back then. Gives you a breakdown of all of this, what they're earning, and literally you can go through and see exactly how all of these bloggers are earning the money. They share everything with you. But the whole concept is we create content in the form of a blog article, and then inside of that article we can put affiliate links in there. We can also have these annoying ads over on the right hand side, the pop-up ads, and lots more, and you can be earning in a number of ways. So start a blog, lifestyle, giveaways, our album, reviews. So you can go into any of these and start to get an idea for this. Now what you can do with this whole method is you can be as broad or as specific as you like. So let's just say we wanted to create a new blog around any category or topic. It doesn't matter. Now obviously in the beginning we wouldn't be able to start running, well, we could if we partnered up with Google, you could start running little ads like these, but you're not going to be earning a lot of money because when you first start one of these blogs, you need traffic, i.e. people landing on your website. So to start with, what I'd recommend is pick a category or a niche, find some different products that you can become an affiliate for, include them in the website, and then as you start creating content and your rankings start eventually going up in the search engines and you're getting more visitors, then you can start earning money with ads and sponsored posts and other bits. But in the beginning, this is the process I would do. So first of all, we need a category or a niche, okay? So I'm going to come over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank, if you don't know, it's a huge affiliate network. It's free to sign up. It's available in 98 countries, I believe. And look, if you're in one of the countries where this is not available, there's many other platforms. You can use ShareASale, Warrior Plus, JVisa, lots of them. Just type in affiliate network online and you will find them, okay? Now in here, I'm going to click on all. These here, these are all categories or niches or niches, depending on where you're from. And you can come in here and you can find products to anything, literally anything. So if we were to come in here, and I'm just going to pick one. Let's go into home and garden. In fact, now let's go up to something. Let's look at cooking, food and wines. So we've got lots in there we've got here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go to, let's have a look. What is this? How to and home improvements, home buying, general, and this sort of stuff. So I'm just going to click on, let's go with crafts and, oh no, I'm trying to think of something where you can get a bit more income. So I'm going to go with, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on health and fitness, that whole category, okay? And then I'm going to scroll down. Now here, it sorts the results via high to low, okay? So over here, this is the name of the product. This is the how much you will earn. And then it will tell you a bit of information about the product over here. So look, this one here, Monster in the dental niche. Average conversion is $129. So that means if someone buys that product, that is how much money you will earn. Scroll further down. But basically, find a category and decide on that. And then once you've got that, you can find products. So let's just go with this one we've just seen. Where's it gone? What is it? Pro Dentin, Monster in the dental niche. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this and it opens up into a new tab for us. So we can see this is the products. What is it about? The health of your teeth and gums. Scroll down, Pro Dentin, why? So basically we can see this here. It's a pretty decent sales page, okay? So if I wanted to become an affiliate for this, really, really simple. I'm going to go back over to ClickBank and I am going to click on Promote. Then over here, it gives you your nickname account, but you can just click on Create Hop Link. And then here, this is your hop link. So basically, this is what you would embed into a website, okay? Straightforward and simple. So if we was going with this category over here, the dental niche, let's just go up here and I'm just going to type in dental. And I'm going to find some different products, like so. Scroll down here, what is this? $8. Nope. This one here, that's the one we've just looked at. Dentinox, dental drops off at $118. This one here, this one. So I'd get a few of these, okay? And all I'm doing is I'm having a look at the sales page because you don't want to send people over to a pretty rubbish sales page. So we'll come down here. Okay, so we've got some different products that we can include inside of our website. We've decided on a category. So in this example, it will be around dental care. So now we would now need to move on to the creating content part. And normally, as I mentioned, this would take a long time. We'd need to be sat typing out, articles or outsourcing it another base. But with AI, we can just speed up the whole process. And I forgot one step. We need a website, don't we? So you have a number of options with a website. Cheap one, and it's free, is you've got two options with a free website. You can just go onto Google and type in like so. You can just type in free Google website like so. And Google has one of these for you. Look, create your own website. Oh no, not that one. Come down here, look. Google, get started on a website with Google, and basically you can literally just build your own website inside of here. It's drag and drop. It's really simple. You don't need to know code or anything. So you can do this. Or another option for you is this one over here. And again, it's absolutely free. This one over here, I've been a member of this for a number of years, and basically it walks through the whole process. So you can see over here, look, transform your ideas into profits. So these over here, categories, niches. Come down here, build your website, come further down, how they can help you, revenue sources, and lots more. This one is available in 193 countries, and again, it is free. So what happens here is I'll show you on the inside of this, but either way, whether you go with a free website over here with Google or you go with this free website with Wealthy Affiliate, this is your website done for you. So I'll show you on the inside of Wealthy Affiliate because I've been a member here for a number of years. Now in here, it's inside of Wealthy Affiliate, they will give you the website. They also have a community. They do training and lots more. So you can see over here on the right hand side, we've got a live chat going on where people are asking questions, saying congratulations. Down here, we have got people updating with different things. And again, all of these are just different things that people in the community sharing. You can go in here and look. You've got tools, so you've got a niche finder, blogs, hot topics, so you know what's trending. You can even come through here and decide on a category this way. So you've got lots of options. But step one is we decide on a category or a niche. Step two is we find products to promote. Step three is we create a website using either this platform or Google. Then we move on to step four, which is ultimately the part which would put most people off normally, which is creating the content. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. So now I'm going to use AI software. So I'm going to come over here and I'm using this one over here. It is called Jasper. Now I'll put a link to this down below for you, and I'll share with you also why I use this software over ChatGPT and other ones, purely because of this over here, which we will come back to in a minute, which is an AI content detector, which when you put ChatGPT content into here, a lot of the time it does flag up, okay? But I'm going to come back over here. So if you want to go ahead and use this software, just go to this link. And again, I'll drop it down below for you. This will give you 10,000 free words. Let me move my head. You can see, look, your friend gave you 10,000 words to try Jasper for free. So you can go ahead and try it for free, play around with it. So inside of here, we have got all of these different templates. If I click on blog, you can see we've got lots of things in here. So I'm going to literally try and create some blog articles around our niche. So I'm coming in this template here, this one-shot blog post. So blog topic. So I'm just going to write in here a blog post about, like this. Then I'm just going to paste what I copied a second ago here. A blog post about simple ways to maintain your perfect smile. Now I've got tone of voice. I can have this. You can see we've got expert copywriter. I can put whatever tone of voice I like. I'm just going to leave it on that one. Okay, and then we've got intended audience. So you can type in here any interest, any audience or people you are trying to target. So in this example, it would be people who are wanting, I don't know, the perfect smile, something like that. Perfect smile, okay? Then I'm scrolling down here again. I can do this in lots of different languages. I can click on here and it will give me different options. I come further on the page, input language. I can play around with the output language and the formality. But now down here, now remember 10,000 free words you get. So if you were to up this here from 1 to say 2 or 3, every time you click on generate, it deducts from your 10,000 words. So I'm just going to leave this on 1. And I'm going to click on generate. Now what happens is the AI software is playing around in the background, and it's going to create a full article for me around this over here. A blog post about simple ways to maintain your perfect smile. So here it is, look, there's my title, there's my introduction, there's my body of the text, all of this down here, and it also gives me a conclusion. Now inside of here, I can then start putting in my affiliate links to this product or this product over here. It's pretty straightforward to say the least. But why this AI software is great, and lots of different AI softwares, whether we're looking at copywriting, YouTube videos and things like that, it just speeds up the whole process. This has literally taken away so much headaches and hassles for many people. Now I'm going to come on here, click on here. So we've got blog introduction. Now all I'm doing here is I'm copying all of this. And I'm going to go back over to this here, the AI content, because we don't want to be creating content like this and putting it onto our website if it's going to get flagged by Google or different search engines for being AI content and ultimately not showing up. So I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to click on Analyze Text, and again it'll take a second, and we can see, look, looking great, 93% human generated content. It's crazy, isn't it? This is why I recommend this Jasper over all of the other softwares out there at this moment in time, just because it's so good. And you can go through and read it all. It makes absolutely perfect sense. And literally, how long did that take? This one short blog post took about 30 seconds. So now I could write this, I could literally copy this, I could go over to a free website on Google, or I could even go over to a free website inside of here, and I could upload that content and include, you can include what you like. You can include images from the sales page over here. You can just put a link to your affiliate page, the affiliate sales page, and lots more stuff. But it's awesome, and as you've seen here, doesn't take long at all. Now, in terms of getting up to, the £2 a month, £5 a month, all these things that we've seen over here, it just takes time. It's just a case of putting out more content and engaging content. And you can do this in any category or in any niche. So look, that's today's video. What do you think of it? Do you like it? More importantly, it is a passive income, because every piece of content that you put out onto your website, it's done. And then you can move on to the next article and the next article and the next one. And if you wanted to take it a step further, you could take that article and you could create a YouTube video. And then you could take that YouTube video and create a small TikTok video and a small Instagram reel. And, it just goes on and on and on. It really does. So yeah, links to everything are down below. If you've got any questions, let me know. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.